All right, I've been told that I have been full of hot air many times, but today I'm actually get to put it to the test. I brought this into our RV, and the first thing my wife said is, "Ooh, look how cute that is." It looks almost like a teapot. You're just gonna fill up your plants with water, right? Or like a watering pot. It is really nice. Because of the size and the portability, it makes a perfect fit for if you're living life on the road like I am as a full-time RVer. Only small footprint stuff make it in. And so we always need a steamer on hand. And why not a steamer that looks good, takes up small space, and is only 1200 watts. 1200 watts is about the same as like a hair dryer or even a small AC. So you know that if you're gonna be using this in the summertime, you gotta probably not have all three ACs on at high, because you're gonna probably pop a cord or pop a breaker or something like that if you're using all three ACs on high and you're using a hair dryer. So just know that it's a 1200 watt. But again, 1200 watts, not too bad with a 550 milliliter storage tank. And you're gonna be able to plug it in and cover a large surface area with this 9-foot cord. Not only do you get the long cord, but you also get this extension right here. They also wanna take care of your hands, so they give you 2 of these gloves so you don't burn your hands when you're steam cleaning. You get a ton of different attachments and a ton of different cloths. Here's your 3 cloths that you get for this attachment that's going to go over here, so you can wipe that. Then you get a microfiber towel. You always want to have a towel, a paper towel, or microfiber towel when you're cleaning surfaces and you're cleaning areas, because you're going to get that wet. Wipe that off, and I'll show you in a minute. Then you get these attachments. These are my attachments right here. Why? Because these are for the barbecuer. Clean the barbecuer right here, perfect for doing that. And then you got a window cleaner or sofa or fabric or even car right here. When you combine this and this, just like that, you got a sofa, car cleaner, or take this off and you got a window cleaner. That's what we're gonna be doing today. We're just gonna be cleaning the windows because my dog gets his nose on the window, and we just run this down and cleans that up really quickly. Then this tool that doesn't come in a lot of other ones that I've seen, this is good for the shower line, shower crevices, or even the window crevices, of just getting in that small places to really steam clean and get that done. A couple other tools and attachments here. Obviously you got scrubber attachment with less of an angle, probably more for toilets, sinks, anything of that nature. And then you have a steamer scraper right here, which is a scraper tool for those hard surfaces, probably like when you're trying to scrape oil, gunk, anything like that. That's going to be a good scraping tool right there. And then last but not least, you do have your water, where you're going to pour the water in here. Now, we always like to use filtered water, so we're going to go ahead and throw some filtered water in here. Then we're going to time it to see how long it takes to get up to temperature. Hopefully not too long. Then we'll get that window clean, and then lastly come back and let you know what my thoughts and hopes were for this little guy, and did they measure up and stack up. That took about 21 seconds to heat up. That was super, super fast. And now that it's heat up, the fun now begins. You put your gloves on and you get ready to go. Now I do like this, the fact that these gloves actually fit. A lot of times they're way too small. These are a little tight, so if you have big hands, probably not gonna get into these gloves, but they do give you grippy solutions just like that. So that's kind of cool. So let's not worry about burning our hands, but really quick, before we start to clean, you're gonna notice right here, this trigger finger. The trigger right here is you push it in, pull it down, and it's gonna auto lock in, it's gonna stay in, it's gonna steam. And when you disengage, it'll stop steaming. So that's perfect for windows, and for traveling over surfaces, it's not gonna always be on. You're not gonna be dripping everywhere. So nothing but to do it, so let's get to it. All right, first thing you can see right here with these windows is we got some dog smudges right there. I'm not sure if that's coming up on camera or whatnot, but our dog likes to look outside, bark outside, and just sometimes get his snout a little bit too close to the window. So this is perfect for cleaning that off. And just on cue, he's trying to get up here. We're not gonna let him. Just getting this all steamed right here. And come back with it. And super, super easy to clean up. You don't need to use any harmful sprays, any chemicals or anything like that. To clean these windows, you just use steam. And that's pretty awesome in my book to get these windows cleaned up right here. I'm gonna jump over here and get this guy too. That is super, super easy to get that cleaned up. Now, when you're done with the job for the day, it does have a self-cleaning feature. If you notice right there on those 3 little dots, once you're done, this does need to cool down for a little bit, so let it cool down. Then you're ready to self-clean if you need to self-clean. Basically, all you're doing is self-cleaning is you're just putting water in here and then distilled white vinegar at a 1-to-1 ratio. And then what that does is that just breaks down the calcium deposits and cleans it up so that next time you go to steam, it's a lot, you don't have like what you get in the showers when sometimes the shower heads get clogged with the calcium deposit. That cleans that away so that you get a nice even steam every single time. Now, if there's one thing I hate, it's living in an RV with dirty windows because that obstructs your view. And I live this lifestyle because my view changes all the time. I love having a beautiful view outside my window every place I go. And so I love to clean those windows up as often as I can so that my view is just that much more magnificent every time I look out the window. So if you're looking for a steam cleaner that doesn't take up hardly any space, that gets the job done and is simple and easy to use, this one checks all of those boxes.